Here is how to share Google Docs with others. So let's get started. First, come to the Google Doc that you'd want to share. And once you reach a page like this, just click on Share, that's on the top right. And here, we have multiple options. So the first option is by typing in the email ID that we'd want to share with. So here, I can just type in the email ID. And the same way, you can keep adding more email IDs. After that, you can give them some role, either as an editor, or if you click on this, they'll have an option to be a viewer or commenter. For now, I'll leave it like this. Then you can decide if you want to notify the person and add a message. And then click on Send. And as you can see, it's now done. So this account can access this doc and make changes. And at any time, you can change their access or remove access by clicking on this. And then you have the options over here. The second method is with the link. So below general access, just click on restricted and change it to anyone with the link. And on the right, we can again select the role with the same three options. So if you want anyone with the link to just view this document, you can leave it like this and then just click on copy link and it's done. So all you have to do is share this link with anyone you want and they'll be able to view this document. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one.